'Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Tuesday, January 29th, just past 9 p.m. It is 23 below right now, feels like 50 below. We haven't even reached our low tonight, which is gonna be about 30 below. So yeah, Minnesota, move here. When temperatures are this cold, it's fun to do science experiments, and this one is going to be boiling water thrown outside. Let's watch it come to a boil, shall we? And they say a watch pot never boils. The door is open. The pot is taken. Now we run. Here it is. Ooh, fun. Instant ice in there as well. January 30th. Not quite 9 p.m. It's another cold one, only about 20 below right now. But we're gonna do another experiment. Experiment number 2 is seeing if bubbles will freeze. See that one? All the way frozen. Believe me, it works at 20 below. Try it yourself. Live in Minnesota. Those are the things that you can do if you live where I do. Blowing bubbles, take 1.
That's super cool. How do we make it land?
I don't know if this is coming. I don't know if this is visible, but look at that. It just freezes. And that's what they're doing. They're coming out, freezing, and then they just kind of pop and turn into, oh, wow, it just froze instantly. Poke it once. Cause it get cold like Minnesota. Looks like they freeze after about, what would you say, maybe 3 seconds or so?
Yeah, pretty quickly. It's hard to catch them.
Ooh, instantly.
Super cool.
Have you ever done this before?
Mm-mm.
Me either.
It's fun. Want to try?
Oh, wow. There goes part of it.
Ooh, look at. This one kept going.
Oh, wow. A perfectly frozen bubble.
Come here. No.
Oh, yeah. There it goes. There it goes. There it is. And that's been Experiments with Tony. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friend, tell your grandma, tell your neighbor, tell your dog, tell your enemy, tell yourself. I don't care. And bubbles are good for the pets.
Get it. Get outside. Good boy.
Proudly not sponsored by ExploreMinnesota.com. Check out more about Minnesota at ExploreMinnesota.com.